everyone, this is Shruti. I'm good and I hope you all are good. I'm right. Okay, so today we all are going to learn about solutions, and today we are also going to do an activity, an experiment based on solutions. I'm so excited. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what will happen if we mix salt and water. I'm going to pour water into the glasses. Yeah, all of it. Now I'm going to pour a pinch of salt in one of the glass. I'm going to mix it. So I'm stirring now, and if you observe here, the most of the salt is invisible, right? Where did the salt go? Actually, we all know that everything around us is made up of molecules. So salt molecules take their place in water molecules and get mixed up. So let's see. We have to mix a little bit more to make all the salt dissolve in the water. So the process which we are doing now is called as dissolving or dissolution. So the same thing happens with sugar. So let us pour a little bit of sugar, okay? I need to mix it now. So if you observe here, by bit, the sugar is melting, right? So in the salt solution, the salt is solute and water is solvent. By mixing both of them, we got a solution which is salt solution. And sugar solution, sugar is solute and water is solvent. By mixing both of them, we get a solution which is sugar solution. I hope you all got it out in your mind. What if we pour the whole bowl of sugar and salt in water? Let's see what happens. A particular amount of water can only dissolve or take a particular amount of sugar or salt. So let's see what happens now. I'm going to take salt, this much, and I'm going to pour in salt. See, if you observe here, the more salt. I'm going to take more salt now. Now it is so strong. So if you observe here, the water dissolved its own capacity of salt and remained all salt down, right? The water dissolved a little bit of salt because the water's capacity, the amount of water is equal to an amount of water can only take and dissolve an amount of salt. We pour extra salt, so that's why the water dissolves its own capacity of salt. Now let's see what will happen in sugar. I'm so excited. More please, more please. Now I'm going to mix it. Nice. I want to drink it. So if you observe here, the same happened to sugar also. the water dissolves its own capacity of sugar and remains extra sugar. Wow. But sugar is trying to dissolve, right? If you pour the sugar in water, it is easier to stir up than salt, right? Don't know why, but a particular amount of water can only take a particular amount of salt or sugar. But do you know that some solids cannot be dissolved? For example, let us take soil or sand. Yeah, sand. Let us take sand. It cannot dissolve, right? So there are also some of the solids which cannot dissolve in water, where some of the solids can dissolve. For example, sugar and salt. So I hope you all learned enough for today, and thank you, Ananda. Bye bye. Have a nice day.